Come on stage. Good morning, everyone. I was expecting that. I wish everybody responds so that at least I know that you are mentally present here, rather than just being physically present. And sometimes I feel all things happen for our good. You know what I observed? The video didn't go well, which is maybe a little disappointing to Mekla, Rajni and all of us. However, all your faces were happy and I saw you people chit-chatting. So I assume all of us are quite awake and connected with your friends, so I feel you can as well connect with me now. I see that you are awake. Okay? Firstly, I would like to congratulate all of you for being in such a prestigious institution and getting into engineering and doing whatever you are doing now. I assume there could be two reasons why you are here. And it's open. If you have a third reason, please let me know. I would also be willing to know what would be the third reason. So far I understand it's only for two reasons all of us are here. One could be that you are really passionate about engineering and you really wanted to do what you wanted to do, and that's why you are here. How many of you fall under that category? I would like your hands to be shown up if you really fall under that category. Good. I congratulate all of you and wish you all the best for that. Secondly, the second reason could be either your parents forced you, or the situations have forced you to be here, or just for the namesake you want to be here. How many of us fall under that category? Then my only urge to you people would be like, go back, contemplate what really passionates you, excites you, and get into that. It doesn't work out to be doing something which you're not passionate about. Okay? That's one thing. Is there a third category? That's all I could think of. Any third category why you are here? No. Okay. So I saw many hands raised up when I asked people who are passionate about engineering. So now I would like to understand what is that you're really passionate about, okay? Or what is that keeps you moving? What is that excites you to be in the technical line? Any answers or any volunteers? Nobody wants to speak up, is it?
Not excited.
Not excited?
New technology.
New technology, okay. Good. Be a little louder, please.
Betterment and standard of life.
Standard of life and betterment of standard of life. Good. Okay, now let me ask you a question. How many of you are really adventurous in life or want to be adventurous in life? At least I am for it. So how long do you think you can do a physical adventure? All of you must be in your early 20s, max. So for how long can you still continue to do that physical adventure? As long as you want to. So when you're 70 also, you're quite sure you can go for a bungee jump and do whatever. Anything is possible and you have to really work hard to be at that level, right? Maybe your heart may not cooperate, or maybe your eyes may not cooperate, whatever. However, the good part about technology, I feel, is that it's always a mental adventure. Every day you have a new challenge, it's a mental adventure. And that's what keeps me passionate about technology. That's from my side. It need not be the same for everyone. I'm just sharing my experience. So I know once I'm reaching 40 or I'm in late 30s, I can't afford to go for whatever I was doing when I was in college or like you people. Whatever we did at that time, it's not possible. However, when I come to office, when I come to IBM, I know I have a challenge every day, and that's certainly an adventure, and that is so thrilling to solve that. That's what keeps me passionate about technology. And of course, all the other things, when you say the standard of life improves, it's very true. All that comes as a byproduct. Right? Your passion is the one that drives you, not the standard of life or whatever. You should get the thrill out of whatever you're doing. Only then you will be able to succeed in whatever you're doing. And let me give you a small example here. I know of a lady in a village. She is in her mid-40s, okay? And that village is, I wouldn't call it very remote or very well connected. But you know what? She is not studied any the gas stove connections, right? I've seen her personally. She's all excited to repair the gas stoves. And she has not studied. And you give her a torchlight and say, this is not working, she's all excited about it. And she hasn't studied. And you go and talk to her about any new technology, she's always curious to understand. Curiosity is another thing that we have to always keep it flowing. Anything you would like to add here? Do you guys agree like what keeps us motivated, and do we have to be really passionate about it? I hope all of you here are passionate about something or the other. Some of the people who are not passionate about engineering might be also certainly passionate about something. Right? Now when you have the technology and you want to move in a technical line, let me give you very few and simple tips that can really advance you in your career once you go out of this college. First thing, inculcate the habit of reading. Go beyond your curriculum. Go behind the journals. Go behind the magazines. Okay, that really helps you to be connected to the new technology. It was you, right, who mentioned new technology? So if you just stick on to the curriculum, you might get it. But if you really want to explore, and mind you, engineering is all about doing things, not always, we can't sit always and keep learning things. Doing is what engineering is. Go, explore, experiment, do things. That's what all engineering is about. And technology need not be just into the software or something, it could be any technical field that you do. Explore and be adventurous. Once you read, I think all the colleges, or at least MS RIT, I see you have a chapter on IEEE, you have CSE, you have ACM. Go behind those, and there are a lot of activities that are happening there. Be an active member, participate in those, participate in various competitions, try to get some exposure, and be connected to the industry. Always be ready to take the path that is not taken by anyone. Okay? That reminds me of, I think we all saw the video for some time at least, and we saw one